Hello viewers, welcome to Union Studio. Today we are going to discuss about the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana with a customer.
Thank you, sir. I am Nikhil. I am coming from a nearby locality. I want to know more about Pradhana Mantri Mudra Yojana.
Okay, so Union Bank of India is one of the leading bank. Along with the other government scheme, Union Bank is also providing the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. That scheme is for the manufacturing unit, for service unit, for the traders, and this scheme is in the three category. One is the Shishu, one is Kishore, and one is Tarun. The Shishu category is up to 50,000, and the Kishore category, if your requirement is more than 50,000 and up to 5 lakh, then your requirement will fall in the Kishore category, and the third category is the Tarun category. If your requirement is more than 5 lakh and up to 10 lakh, then that will fall in the Tarun category.
Okay, I am a trader. I've started my unit some 1 year back, and which is getting some business, and I'm running on profit only. Some of my friends told me that working only new units are eligible under Prime Minister Mudra Yojana. Is it like that?
It's not like that. So new units are eligible as well as existing units are also eligible with that.
Because I had a doubt that only existing units are not eligible. Then how I will get that loan from your bank? Then there is some CIBIL check or something. I am not aware about those things. Whether some CIBIL number is mandatory for Mudra loan. Is it like that?
Yes, you are right. That's a CIBIL score we call it. If your CIBIL score is positive, or we can say it's a certain number, if it's equal to a certain number, then your chances of sanctioning the loan will become easy. So that process become easy. So hope you are not having any bad history or like that.
No, I have purchased on mobile phone from a company. So they gave me a small loan also, which I repaid in regular way only. So there is no pendency at all. Then another thing, one owner told me that nearby shop also he is ready to give me because the other person vacated the shop. So I want to purchase some furniture, say some rack for storing all these kind of thing, and I want to do some painting and all, and one outside board also required, stock also because shop is expanding.
Okay, so I will explain you in detail. So that Mudra Yojana, there are the two things in that. One is the term loan and the next one is the working capital. If your requirement is for the furniture and fixtures, then you will be eligible for the term loan. We can understand in a simple language, like if your requirement is like for furnitures, or you can say electric fittings, shelf if you require, refrigerators if you required, then your requirement will be for the term loan. Working capital is required in that case when you require a stock for your shop, or there is a book debt requirement, then that working capital will be given.
Okay, sir. Then I am eligible for term loan as well as for working capital.
Yes, you are right. This is schemes, in this scheme you can have both term loan as well as the working
So I
capital loan.
require on computer also. One of my friends told me that he will give his used computer to me. Can I cover that also?
That old machinery is not covered in that. If you are going to purchase a new computer, then definitely that will come under that scheme.
That means I will have to purchase fresh machine or fresh computer only.
Yes, and for that purpose, we will be requiring the GST bill also for our end use purpose.
Then how much amount I will get?
That's a good question actually. So if just we can think it in a simple terms, if you required a loan of we can say 100 rupees, then it means 25%, 25 rupees just you need to bring, and 75% we can say in percentage term that will be given or provided by the bank in terms in form of loan.
Okay, the 25% I will have to as a beneficiary contribution.
Yes.
Like you are calling it as margin right now.
Yes.
So as a I am a beneficiary of Prime Minister Mudra Yojana. So I will have to bring 25% of the project cost. So how you will disperse the amount, loan amount?
There is a normally that normal that question come. Actually, people think that that amount will be credited in their account, but that's not like that. The entire amount, mean 25% from your side and including the 75% of the loan amount, entire amount will be credited to the suppliers, the person, the company or the firm which will supply you the machineries or furniture and fixtures or the stocks, that will be credited to their account.
Okay, sir. Now I got an idea about Prime Minister Mudra Yojana because it's it is helping the traders like me. Then okay, loan part is okay. I'm quite happy that I'm eligible for that purpose. And do I will have to give any collateral security kind like land and building and all? Because I don't have any land and building in my name because I am residing here in a rented building only. So in that case, I am anxious about.
That's actually a feature of this scheme, that in this scheme, especially in Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, no collateral security is required.
So collateral security is not required for people like me. It's good. Then any personal guarantee like my wife or my father, mother, or some friends relate, whether I will have to give personal guarantee of those people because
That
security is not there.
Yeah, that's again a good question from your side. That normally comes that again in that scheme, no other third party guarantee is required. However, a small fee amount in a different form of for the guarantee amount that you need to pay. That's a nominal amount.
Okay, sir. Now I got idea about all these what all are the procedure, then how I am eligible, how much amount I will get. So I got a fair idea about Prime Minister Mudra Yojana. You explained all these things in a nice way, which is quite understandable for people like me. And then, sir, one final question: what is the next procedure?
Just you need to take the checklist. I will give you the checklist, and just prepare your documents as per the checklist, and that's a normal document which you need to provide to us, and within 1 or 2 days we will process the application. If everything is in correct in order, then definitely your loan will be processed.
Yes, sir. I have Udyam registration. Local Taluk Industries people came to my shop and they helped me to take Udyam registration. Udyam registration is a free registration which I got. So I'm so happy that government is acknowledging people like us because we got a registration in by online only. Then local panchayat people also came there for trade license. So I have two registration already with me, Udyam registration and trade license. So all the other paper as per your checklist I will collect and I will submit it to you by next week. Then I will prepare a project report as well. So with project report, documents as per the checklist, and one day you can visit my shop also because existing shop is a small one, but you will get an idea that how I am running, how my customers are. So welcome you to my shop at any time, and next week I will submit all the papers to you so that I can build a relationship with your bank.
That's great to hear you that you are having just such kind of future plans. So best wishes, and that's the tagline also of the Union Bank: good people to bank with.
Thank
So
you,
you're
sir.
most welcome.
Thank you, sir. I got sufficient information about Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana.